Hey, how you doing? I am Leigh Ratcliffe, and I thought I'd just take the opportunity to introduce myself and let you know what this channel, I suppose, is going to be about. So, I do a few different things, and I've been, watching a lot of stuff on YouTube myself, and I see the common theme is that you should pick one thing and try to be amazing at that, and that's what will be the success to your YouTube channel. And in my thinking, I don't really give a shit if my channel is successful or not. So what my channel is going to be about is a few different things. I'm just going to say it's my creative space to do all the things that I enjoy, and those things include I like music, I play guitar, I sing, I have a recording studio that I'm kind of in at the moment. It's all blurry in the background, but this is where I'm in my studio. I like to make videos, hence what we're doing now, and also like to do drone videography as well. So I would like to do all those things on my channel and not just focus on one thing, which I kind of find a little bit boring. I think if we're just constantly focusing on just the one thing, it's not cool. Yeah, so if you're coming here for one of those reasons, whether it's for guitar, if it's got something to do with, music, or if it's got something to do with singing,
tequila,
or if it's got something to do with video, then please enjoy that part of it. If you'd like to hear about all the stuff I do, then that'll be awesome too. So yeah, I just thought I'd take the opportunity to say hi, let you know what it is that I do, and yeah, this is going to be my space for all the stuff that I enjoy. So hope you dig it too. See ya.